przyjaciele, hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you a very quick, easy recipe perfect for summer, which is very traditional for Poland. Surówki, which basically means raw vegetables. In Poland we love raw vegetables as a side dish for the main meal. So today I want to show you how to make surówka, which is a slaw, from carrots. It's vegan. It's super easy to make, you just need full ingredient, so let's see what we need besides the carrot. For this simple recipe, you're gonna need some carrots, peeled, orange, some raisins, a bit of sugar, and also a grater and a peeler. You're also gonna need a few drops of lemon. So first we need to peel and grate the carrots, and if you run out of carrots or don't have too many of them, you can also add 1 or 2 apples. I am not using them, but they will be absolutely perfect as well. To the grated carrots I add 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it sit like that for 15 to 20 minutes and let the juices come out from the carrots. In the meantime, I'm gonna start zesting my orange and juice it so I can use the juice in the slaw. To add flavor, I'm gonna now pour all the oranges into my carrots and add the raisins. I'm gonna mix everything. To offset the sweetness, I'm gonna add a bit of lemon juice. Just make sure to put the seeds in. Now refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving. And garnish everything with some cilantro. So this is how it looks at the end. This is just absolutely delicious. So the raisins and the carrots work perfectly with the sweetness and the textures. The lemon and the orange cuts through the sweetness, so you're not overpowered by the sweet raisins or carrots. It's just delicious and it's so refreshing. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!